Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we will show you how to remove and replace Taillight on Mazda CX-7 right here. Stay with us, we'll demonstrate on one side, but the other side will be exactly the same. We will show you how to remove and replace the whole assembly. Please subscribe guys, let's grow the channel together. We have over 50 videos on that Mazda on our channel. Please feel free to check them out and let's go ahead and start on it now. Okay, so what we need to do now, open the trunk and okay, right here we'll need to go ahead and remove that cap. And we're demonstrating on the driver's side, passenger will be the same. And we need to go ahead and remove these three nuts that we have with a 10mm wrench, or a socket will be even more convenient if you ask me. So I think we'll just go ahead and grab one, because one of them is still pretty tight for some reason. Okay, two came loose. And now just the third one. Okay, third one started going too. Once you get them loose, they go by hand pretty easy. Okay, so, oh, sorry for that camera action here going on. Just go ahead and remove both, all three of them. Okay, just like that now. And we're going to turn over the bulbs counterclockwise, pull them out. Careful not to break them. He has 4 bulbs. We have a video which one is for what on our channel and how to replace them if you need to. Okay, now we need to pull on this side a little bit. Then right here there is a clip. So you need to be careful, don't break the tail light. Okay, don't damage anything either. Well, we just broke our tool. Okay, so that's where the clip is. If you grab it really strong with 2 hands, you can help it with a prying tool, but don't damage it. Okay, that's where it goes. Okay, that's where the clip is. Let me show you here, and that's where it slides on this one right here. So this is, guys, the tail light for Mazda CX-7, as you can see. That's how you remove it, that's how you replace it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.